Red, red riding goes bobbing along, along. There'll be no more sobbing when he starts.
My bird is the mourning dove. It sounds like this. Woo! 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 Mourning doves have a built-in straw. They can suck the water right up. Unlike other birds, they have to lift their heads. My bird is the downy woodpecker. Back, 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 back. It's the smallest woodpecker in North America. It looks for insects and spiders in bark. It also likes suet and feeders. My bird is a northern cardinal, and it sounds like this. Hee, 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 hee. Male cardinals see mirrors in windows and their own reflection. They peck at the window and think it's another bird getting in their territory. My bird is the barred owl. It sounds like this. They open their claws really wide to grab their prey and bring it home. Barred owls eat their prey whole. They spit out pellets of fur and bone. My bird is the white-breasted nuthatch, and it sounds like this. The nuthatch has an extra long back claw that helps them get a grip in any position. They get their name from their habit of jamming large nuts into tree bark. My bird is the blue jay. This is what it sounds like. Nah, 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 nah. Blue jays dig holes for their acorns in the winter. My bird is the American robin, and it sounds like this. The robins spend the whole day looking for earthworms, like bugs and berries too. The robin's eggs are light blue. My bird is American crow. That's what it sounds like. Honk, 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 honk. Crows are really smart. They can count and solve problems. Crows fly in straight lines. As the crows fly, it's what people say. A lot of crows. Murder of crows. My bird is the bald eagle. It sounds like this.
Okay.
The eagle's wingspan is 72 to 96 inches. Some eagles live to be 30 years old. They were almost extinct because of bad chemicals. My bird is European starling. It sounds like this. They first came to the United States in the 1890s. Someone brought 100 starlings to New York. They were immigrants from Europe, but they didn't have a passport. Now there are 200 million starlings in North America. My bird is the black-capped chickadee, and it sounds like this. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee, 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 chickadee-dee. Studies have shown that chickadees actually grow extra brain cells to help them remember where they have hidden seeds. Chickadees are the state bird of Maine.
When the red, red robin comes bob,